Okay, today the Karbi Student Association, Diphu District Committee, and along with Karbi Student Association Central Committee, today we have registered an FIR against Mr. Samsuddin of Doboka for making communal statement and also making provocative remarks against Karbi community. And for that purpose, today the Karbi Student Associations have registered an FIR to Diphu police stations, and the officers in charge of Diphu police stations have assured us that he will be soon arrested and he should be punished as per the law of the country. And through this media interactions today with the Karbi Student Associations, we would like to demand a public apology from Mr. Samsuddin for making derogatory and communal and provocative statement against Karbi community. And also we would like to appeal to the Assam government and also to the Hojai district administrations to make an official statements that such actions will not be tolerated by the government as well as by the district administration. That is our demand that we are making to the Assam government and also to the Hojai administration. And also we would like a public apology from Mr. Samsuddin for making derogatory and communal statement against our Karbi community. That's all. Thank you.
Itum dak FIR na pinangkok ke non hedjong social media long chetang klong la bang asu pilo Samsuddin amudit di Karbi tu itum Karbi committee hanang lang plot si nakang ton nakang chi la so pu tax ini itum KSA lamding road di Diphu district ahin pen la non FIR pilo police hanta un an pen ke RC jet pen konat nahok pen sitamian nep ni pu sini itum than kang lo la pen alang litum da nak chak lo je Hojai non mat Doboka pothai pu si nai pu